Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Cameron here. Today I'm just making a little bit of a helpful video to help some people out that may have been trying to reach Epic Games and they're not sure of which way to do that or what the process entails in order to get a hold of support over Epic Games. But I figured it out. I'm going to show you guys just what to do in this case when you want to reach Epic Games, whether it's an error you're getting or you just have some questions that can't be answered. What we're going to do first, we're going to go to epicgames.com/help. When you go to that site, you'll get this little pop-up about the Apple versus Epic Games dispute. It's just an important thing that you need to change your login info from Apple sign in to keep your Epic Games account. But what you're more interested in is getting a hold of Epic Games and how you're going to be able to contact them. So you don't really have a place to submit like a new request until you click on something. You have to click on anything. Like you can just click on this, and then when you scroll down, it'll say can't find what you are looking for, contact us. So you get this blue button, and when you click that, it'll ask you just for your information. If it already has your information already in there, it'll show your Epic Games user ID, and then you're just going to put in your contact email. This is what they'll reach you through, and then the platform that you play on or use the service through. So you just put in all that, and then you're going to describe your problem here. So after you get done doing that, at that point, you can even upload a picture or whatever that you're having an issue with, so that way Epic Games can see in more detail what's going on. I had a submission earlier today that I sent them, and I actually got a response back from them, so I'm going to be going over that next. Before I do that though, they have about a 5-hour window. It says right here, responses usually take 5 hours, and they were right on point with it being about 5 hours. I got a response in like 3 hours. So just keep that in mind. It'll take a little bit to get a hold of them and get them to contact you back. At this point though, and I've scoured the internet for it because I wanted to see if I could actually talk to a live person at Epic Games. They don't have any sort of customer service number listed anywhere on their site. So there actually isn't a phone number to get a hold of them, unfortunately. So this is our only way to actually respond to them. I did actually send them an email, so I'm going to go over all of that now using this support request. So all I did was just simply submit this question to them. Is there a time frame when the creator code applications will be available for submission? Sincerely, Cameron. Just left it nice and simple, and I actually got a response back from them. Now, in case you guys haven't known, I know we have a lot of creators that are subscribed to my channel that have 1,000+ subscribers, like myself, and I've hit this milestone like 5 months ago. But ever since, like, I want to say like 6 or 7 months ago, the entire creator code application submission process is down. And I'll just show you what it says real quick when you go to apply for it. So if I go to support a creator, it's actually this link. I've been to it already. If you go to epicgames.com/affiliates, where you can apply to become a creator in their support a creator program. But right here at the top, you'll see this message. We are currently updating our online application process. Until that system is complete, new applications will be on pause. They've had this error here at the top of their site for 6 to 7 months, like I mentioned. So I just wanted to ask them, when are they going to allow new creators into this support a creator program? So this is just the response I got back from them. Hello there, welcome to Epic Games Support. My name is Sierra Alpha, and I'll be glad to help you with the assistance you need. Thank you for your interest on becoming a partner of our Support a Creator program. You may know that we are working on updates for the program, so in order to have control over all Support a Creator situations, all the related processes are in pause. You can read more about it at our blog here, and it gives me a link. I did actually click on this link, and it didn't give me anything. Like, all it said was competitive payments are changing their payment schedule a little bit. But it just had no news about them having that application process down or any time frame of when it would come back, which is highly unfortunate. And it says, regarding when applications will be back, we don't know when it will be, and predicting dates is a bad thing. We don't want to disappoint you by speculating about a date we don't know we can hit. I truly apologize for the delay in the application process. Remember that if you have any other questions or requests, please don't hesitate to let us know. We'll be more than happy to assist with you. And it says, have a nice day. Regards, Sierra Alpha. So it seems like a pretty cookie cutter response, if you ask me. Like, there's no real solid information in there, but just that they are still working on getting it back up, and we don't even know why it's been down for 7 months. Seems like way too long to be, still working on a problem that we should have already seen it back up if they wanted it to be restored again. So unfortunately, we have no intel on when that process will be resumed. But yeah, I hope this helped you guys out, and for anybody else who wants to become a creator, I guess our only other chance of making any monetary gains is just being a YouTube partner creator and putting ads on our videos. But it's just highly unfortunate because I've had so many people ask me, Cameron, you're over 2,000 subscribers, what's your creator code? And I have nothing for them. So hopefully they update it soon, but let me know what you guys think of all this down in the comment section below. But yeah, this is Cameron. Peace out for now.